Next is the fourth stage. At this point, through the big moon in the middle, the moon belonging to this phase should be shown. The name of this stage, Waning crescent, needs to be displayed in the upper left corner. Also, the moon belonging to the next phase should be visible and the moon belonging to the previous stage should be invisible. I click on Control and drag an if code block here. As the condition of the if code block, let's drag mouse is over code block under world here. Here I give as WNC. Among the frames of the moon sprite, the frame showing the moon belonging to the current phase should be displayed. I click sprites again and drag the sprite.setFrame code block here. Instead of sprite, let's give moon. The frame indicating this stage is 10. Therefore, I give 10 here. Since we want to make LQM visible from the previous stage, we drag a sprite.visible code block here. Here, let's say LQM, and here, let's give 0. Here, the next small moon or NM should be visible. Let's click sprites again and drag a sprite.visible code block. Give NM as sprite and type 1 here. Next, to display the name of this stage, drag a text code block under the drawing. As text, in inverted commas, give Waning crescent and set the position here as 10 and 20. Next, let's consider the case of moving the mouse pointer over NM. The corresponding phase should be represented in the big moon. WNC becomes invisible. The small moon belonging to the next phase, which means WXC, also needs to be visible. Also, the name of this phase should be displayed as new moon. As before, click on Control and drag an if code block like this. As a condition, drag the mouse is over code block in the world section. Here, we give NM. OK. Now we need to display the frame related to this stage in the big moon. Click sprites again and drag the sprite.setFrame code block here. Here, instead of sprite, moon is given. The image related to this is shown in the 15th frame. So, number 15 is given here. WNC needs to be made invisible. Click sprites again and drag a sprite.visible code block here. As the sprite, give WNC here and give 0 here. The next stage is to make WXC visible. The sprite.visible code block is dragged here. Give WXC as a sprite and let's give 1 here. Because I want to display a text, here I drag a text code block under the drawing. Next, let's give the name of this phase as new moon in inverted commas and give 10 and 20 as before.